Hi everyone, welcome to the 256th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Rupali, Mass Communication and Journalism Department, 4th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Global Reach Siliguri, your flavoured overseas education advisor. The headlines this week: Padma Shri Eklabya Sharma inaugurates 2-day TIST Decennial Conference. Students engage in interactive workshop on reproductive health education. Conoscenza 2026 theme Chakravyuh and New Legacy Shield launched. Special lecture on preparing for competitive exams. Financial literacy for responsible investing held. The news in detail. Siliguri, Padma Shri Eklabya Sharma inaugurates 2-day TIST Decennial Conference. Muskaan Ekka, Department of Economics, 6th semester, reports.
The Deanery of Sciences, Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri successfully hosted the 2-day national conference on Trends in Science and Technology, TIST 2026, on 27th to 28th February, marking the decennial edition of the event started in 2017. The conference opened with an inaugural session led by Padma Shri Dr. Eklabya Sharma, who also delivered the keynote address. Native of Kharsiang, Dr. Sharma is a distinguished ecologist and environmental scientist, internationally recognized for his pioneering research on Himalayan ecology and sustainable mountain development. Over 2 days, the program featured 6 plenary talks, 4 technical sessions, and 12 student presentations across physics, mathematics, computer science, and economics. Highlights included lectures on black holes, algebraic curves, process synchronization in modern operating systems, attosecond delays in photo emission, and foundations for parallel computing. In all, 22 research papers were presented in parallel sessions by faculty, students, and scholars. Sponsored by International STEAM Research, the conference concluded on 28 February with a valedictory session, certificate distribution, and closing remarks, celebrating a decade of TIST's contribution to scientific dialogue and innovation.
Muskaan Ekka reporting. Siliguri, students engage in interactive workshop on reproductive health education. Angel Raju, BSW Department, 4th semester, reports.
The Department of Social Work organized a 2-day orientation workshop on reproductive health education for women and adolescent girls, held on 24th and 26th February 2026. On day 1, resource person Ms. Neha Matthew, Director of Center for Advancement, Salesian College, presented an overview of tea garden communities, highlighting socio-cultural challenges, stigma around reproductive health, and the impact of emotional distress and delayed health-seeking behavior. She explained project goals using SMART criteria and discussed project rational approach and expected outcomes. Students also engaged in exercises on SWOT analysis, social work rules, ethical guidelines, and problem tree development. Day 2 featured a session by Assistant Professor Mr. John Polakra on understanding community, strengthening skills, and action. He emphasized the multiple responsibilities carried by women in tea garden communities and the need for sensitive outreach. Students were trained in communication, networking, cultural competence, observation, and documentation skills, essential tools for effective community engagement. The workshop provided practical insights and strengthened students' readiness for real-world outreach.
Angel Raju reporting. Siliguri, Conoscenza 2026 theme Chakravyuh and New Legacy Shield launch. Gourav, BCom Department, 6th semester, reports.
Conoscenza 2026 was launched at the Kilian Arcade in the presence of Father Principal, Vice Principal of Commerce and the department heads. Faculty and the students of Commerce Department joined the gathering. The event opened with a thematic act by the Salesian College Commerce Association, unveiling this year's theme, Chakravyuh. Inspired by the Mahabharata, it highlighted how today's corporate world demands strategy, foresight, ethics, and adaptability. Competitive events for Conoscenza 2026 were then announced. A ceremonial procession followed introducing the new legacy shield, engraved with the names of past winners. The shield was unveiled by Father Principal, Vice Principal of Commerce and SCC animators, a proud moment of tradition and continuity.
Gourav Agrawal reporting.
You think a lot about what you said, about what you didn't say. You replay conversations, you read between lines.
You doubt yourself, even when you know you are capable. Somehow, it never feels like you're doing enough.
Let's say this clearly. There's nothing wrong with you.
You're not weak, you're not broken, but you're just carrying more than you can hold.
Stress, anxiety, self-doubt. These aren't personal failures. These are human responses to a fast, demanding world.
Lovely was created for this moment. The moment you realize you don't need fixing, you need space, understanding, and support.
Lovely is an online space for confidence and self-esteem. Not built on pressure, but on patience. A place to understand your mind instead of fighting it.
You will find over 50 thoughtful created videos.
No complicated words, no performance. Just guidance you can return to whenever you need.
There are daily practices, small, steady anchors. Affirmation that don't shout, they remind. And workbook that helps you understand yourself without any judgment.
Here, you don't have to pretend, you don't have to rush, you don't have to be ready. You are allowed to arrive exactly as you are.
Because confidence isn't loud, it's calm, it's self-truth, it's knowing you are enough even while growing.
We Radio Club members present Lovely to you, where we love, understand, and value ourselves.
You're listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Siliguri, special lecture on preparing for competitive exams, Ishwari, Department of Sociology, 4th semester reports.
The Department of Sociology, Salesian College, Siliguri Autonomous organized a special lecture on goal setting and planning for competitive exams on February 23, 2026. The session was delivered by Mr. Mayuk Majumdar, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Siliguri. Mr. Majumdar, a 99 percentile scorer and 2021 UGC NET topper, shared his inspiring journey and emphasized the importance of setting clear post-graduation goals, whether higher studies, employment, or entrepreneurship. He outlined effective strategies such as understanding the syllabus, practicing past papers, analyzing cutoffs, taking mock tests, and adopting scientific revision methods. He also highlighted the role of note-making, time management, consistency, and mental well-being in exam preparations. The interactive session concluded with vote of thanks, leaving students motivated and better equipped to plan their academic and career paths.
Ishwari Rai reporting. Sonada, Financial Literacy for Responsible Investing held, Aliya Anjum, Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, 6th semester, reports.
On 24th of February 2026, the Department of Commerce, Salesian College Autonomous Sonada organized a regional investment awareness seminar and financial literacy program to promote financial literacy and responsible investing. The program began with Father Pritam Barla, campus minister, welcoming and honoring the two resource persons, Mr. Alok Kumar Singh from the Securities and Exchange Board of India, ERO Office, and Pratyush Singh Gupta, manager of the BSE Investor Protection Fund. Mr. Alok Kumar Singh explained the fundamentals of the secondary market, IPO, shares, debt instruments, mutual funds, and emphasized investor protection, grievance redressal mechanisms, and digital awareness tools. Mr. Pratyush Sengupta highlighted the importance of informed investing, wealth creation, and spreading awareness about stock market participation. Around 300 students, along with teaching and non-teaching staff, attended the seminar. The program concluded with an interactive question and answer session, making the event informative, engaging, and successful.
In today's world, education knows no boundaries. But for students, the path to studying abroad can feel confusing and overwhelming. That's where Global Reach comes in. With over 3 decades of experience, we are Northeast India's most trusted overseas education consultancy. From choosing the right university to guiding you through applications, scholarships, visas, and beyond, we are with you at every step. Our partnerships with leading universities across Australia, the UK, the US, Canada, New Zealand, and beyond ensures that you don't just dream, you achieve. Thousands of students have already found their future with us. Now, it's your turn. Global Reach, opening doors to global opportunities. Your future, our guidance.
That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. The show was brought to you by Global Reach Siliguri, your favorite overseas education advisor. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.